Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to be doing a crochet installation. I'm trying to switch things up as much as I can. So this is the hair pattern we are working with today. I didn't do this, my sister helped me make this pattern today. So this was the back, this was the side. Let's get to work. Ensure your latch hook is closed before passing it through your hair, because it can easily pick up your hair. So take it as close to the mouth of your braid as possible. Close it, drag it out. Now today, because we are trying to work against time, just take one piece out and close it. Okay.
Anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to take you on my way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You want go? All depend. Schemes and packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling flow like the ocean. My boat, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You are go. All depend.
I think the bigger the extension, or the thicker the extension you fit in, the more coverage you get. That's how I do it, and that's what I believe truly works. Although at the end we are still going to like fit in with tiny little babies of hairs, but still, if you want better coverage, just fit it in thicker. Thank you. I just give you a place for the relax. It's alright. When you go ahead and do that one, one good come with grabber. The twist? You like it that much?
I mean, the people love it.
Wow, that's nice.
I love it. I love the ears.
That's really nice.
I look at the reaction. What is that?
So we are going to fit in the part and we are done. We are not the other person started. So let's work on the back together. we are going to also fill in this part so that this fence here does not show. So I'll be back to show you guys when I get to like the middle, so this video doesn't end up too long. So yeah, I've been able to fill up this part super fast. The same process all through. We didn't do anything special, just put it through, take one piece out of it, and voila, you're done. So here you can see no hairs apart from what we have here, but we are going to fix that, and we're also going to fix this part. This is like, see how full my hair is working. So for the front, where, but you know, when I lift it down, you can't really see anything, right? So we'll take like a tiny piece of extension to fill that part in. So take it through.
You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent I take in my headroom. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. When you go, I follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part.
Without that small one, that's not the worst scissors for here. Just press it like you're pressing clothes.
If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you?
That's basically how to, you know, cover up the front where you don't want your extensions to show, and we are still going to make this frizzy so it looks like it's going out of your thigh directly. I know they passed them, I need for blue. Okay, this is how far I can go today. So just hold it at the roots because you don't want this to hit your hair accidentally, and just go in and comb it backwards basically. So that's how you make this rough at the front where you want it to have like a good coverage. So I'm running late. I'm going to trim this offline and show you guys once I'm done. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next. Anyway, this is the finished look. This is what it says after trimming it down. Like I trimmed this down a lot, a whole lot. This is what I was going for. This is I always want to like switch things up. This is the hair packed up in an updo. Go do it. It's simple. The tutorial is straightforward. There's no extra drama. It's all. I love it, and I hope you love it too as much as I do. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Appreciate you for always popping by. Bye.